In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chat in Gmail, which is a great way to streamline your communication by having everything in one place. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues, planning events, or just chatting with friends, having Google Chat integrated into Gmail can make your digital life much easier. First things first, we'll want to open up Gmail in your web browser. You can do this by simply typing in gmail.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're logged into your account and inside Gmail, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on this icon to expand the settings menu. From this menu, you'll want to select See All Settings. This option will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can find everything you need to configure your Gmail experience. Navigate to the tab labeled Chat and Meet. This tab is the control center for all matters related to Google Chat and Google Meet, which are integrated messaging and video chatting services in Gmail. Inside the Chat and Meet tab, there's a section specifically for chat. Here you have the option to activate Google Chat by selecting Google Chat. This enables the chat feature in Gmail. If you ever find that you need a break from the constant flow of messages, you can simply switch it back to off to disable this feature temporarily. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to click Save Changes for these adjustments to take effect. It's important not to skip this step, as changes aren't automatically saved, which means you'd have to repeat the process if you forget. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google Chat in Gmail. You'll now see your chat contacts and conversations appear on the left side of your Gmail interface, making it super easy to multitask between emails and chats without the need to juggle multiple tabs or applications. Here's a quick tip. If you're looking for specific conversations or contacts, you can use the search bar located at the top to find them quickly. It's a fantastic way to keep everything organized and accessible. By integrating Google Chat into your Gmail, not only do you simplify communication, but you also boost productivity by keeping everything tightly knit within one platform. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you wish to make further adjustments following your personal preferences or work requirements. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and happy chatting!